The Afloia Kilo Air Purifier is a compact, powerful air cleaner perfect for bedrooms and small spaces. Its advanced 3-stage filtration captures dust, smoke, pollen, and pet dander, while running quietly for comfortable everyday use. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Afloia Kilo Air Purifier, power adapter, filter-in air purifier, and user manual. Product overview. How to use. Place on a flat, stable surface in your bedroom, keeping it at least 20 to 30 centimeters away from walls or furniture for optimal airflow. Open the filter panel and insert the air filter, ensuring the arrows match the airflow direction, then close the panel securely. Plug in the purifier, press the power button, and select your preferred mode: auto, sleep, or turbo. You can also set a timer for automatic shutoff or activate sleep mode for quieter operation. And remember to reset the filter indicator whenever you replace the filter. Maintenance. Unplug the air purifier and remove the front cover. Take out the pre-filter by pressing its tab, then remove the old main filter. Vacuum any remaining dust, unwrap the new filter, and insert it with the pre-filter. Replace the front cover, plug in the purifier, and turn it on. Hold the sleep mode button for 3 seconds to reset the check filter indicator. Smart features. The 3-stage filtration system combines a pre-filter, HEPA filter, and activated carbon layer. It effectively captures dust, pollen, smoke, pet dander, and odors for cleaner, fresher indoor air. It offers multiple fan speeds and modes, including high, medium, and sleep settings. This lets you adjust airflow and noise for optimal comfort in any room. The programmable timer lets you set the purifier to run for 2, 4, or 8 hours. It automatically shuts off when the time ends, saving energy and providing hassle-free operation. The 7-color nightlight offers soft ambient lighting with 7 color options. It creates a relaxing atmosphere while the purifier runs quietly in the background. Specifications. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. Want to grab the Afloia Kilo Air Purifier from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Afloia Kilo Air Purifier. See you in the next one.